Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to study about how to use rotate command in AutoCAD. Here students, we will use this chart to rotate, and also we can use any object like this to rotate here. To understand the rotate command we will use here this table, okay, and here we will see how to rotate this table at different angles, and also we are going to see how to keep the copy of this table as it is, and another copy of the table at a different angle we will rotate. So let's see how it is. For that I am here selecting this table, and then you can use this rotate command from here, okay, or you can directly select this table and type RO here, rotate, and press enter. Okay, after that we need to specify the base point from where we want to rotate this table. Okay, so this is the base point, and as you can see here I can rotate this table about that selected base point as per my requirement. Okay, first I am showing you how to rotate by clicking anywhere. After that we will see the giving the rotation angle. So I am clicking here. See, we have rotated this table. Okay, I am doing undo here. Okay, and now second I'm again selecting and pressing RO and pressing enter here and selecting the base point. Now I'm specifying here angle. Let's I'm putting here angle 45, as you can see here, and pressing enter. As you can see here the table is at an angle 45, as you can see here. Okay, so I'm again doing undo here. I'm now copying this table, as you can see here. Okay, and now I'm again selecting this table, and using the rotate command I am selecting here base, and this time I am here giving 90°, as you can see here, and pressing enter. As you can see here the table moved at 90°. Now another method we are going to see here. I'm selecting the object, pressing RO, that is rotate, and pressing enter here, selecting the base point here. At this time I am pressing C and pressing enter here, enter. As you can see here copy of the previous object or table has been created, and now I am giving here the 45° angle, as you can see here, and pressing enter. As you can see here the copy of the previous object is as it is, and copy made one copy made here, and this copy has been rotated, as you can see here, and previous object is as it is, as you can see here. So students, in this video we have understood about how to use rotate command in AutoCAD. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.